Here is something exciting that happened while trying to repair or replace the oil pan gasket on this car. I'm getting close. Takes forever. But here it is. So much fun. This is the oil drain plug, or what's left of it. That's one piece. That's another piece. So now it's a two-part drain plug. Well, I suppose I got lucky this time. I don't think it's a factory plug, since this one has a hole in the center already. So in a sense that helped me, because I didn't have to drill anything. I just got my extractor tool, pushed it in, and removed this broken drain plug. I suppose, like I said, I got lucky, since this was not that big of a deal really to extract, and also lucky in a sense that I didn't have any stripped threads. And I'm assuming someone over torqued it at some point. I don't know why it's not a factory plug. Always expect unexpected, especially if you're dealing with something that has been touched by somebody else. I suppose I was going to say that I just hate those other people that work on BMWs. This is not the proper drive handle.